rack lamb, wine reduction sauce, fried potato. Honestly, one of the best Syrah I ever had. Welcome back to Food Pairing Challenge. This is our Syrah. So this is Syrah from Sunset Cellars, Solano County, Green Valley. This week we are collaborating with our good friend Jaton, sommelier and author of Fruit and Glass. We both taste this wine together and we both took home one bottle. He cooked something, I cooked something, and we're gonna be sharing both recipes with you. So lamb has a lot of flavor. When you think about lamb, you think about cooking it with rosemary, with something a bit of a stronger herb, and that's why we think it's gonna go perfectly with stronger wine like Syrah right here. Larry's open. You do pick up your box, pick up the rest from the store. Oh, since I really wanted to cook with potato, here you go. And we have sweet potato and yam and other things too. This is going to take 45 minutes to cook the potato, so we're gonna do that first. The one thing you want to remember about the potato recipe is that it's really just like fried potato, but you do it on the pan. And what that means is you're gonna use a lot of oil, you're gonna go with higher heat. Cutting this into cubes. Yeah. For garlic, important thing about this, don't peel it. Take a very sharp knife and you're gonna hold this really tightly, cut it in half, sideways, like so. Garlic, I'm gonna break that into bits and sprinkle them around. Put in generous amount of oil. When I say generous, I really mean it. Generous amount of salt, generous amount of pepper. We're gonna go in and mix them. Just gonna put just a few rosemary. Preheating the oven at 400. Close them up. There she goes. You need 45 minutes on 400 oven. Beautiful rack lamb. Generously season it with salt and pepper. Oil is now coming up to temp. You can see it start to shimmer a tad. Going to start searing this garlic in, face down, thyme. Add it over here. After a few minutes, flip over, put in enorm or what's that? That's not touching it too much butter, right? Juliet pile. This under, brown the butter, and base the meat. That looks pretty good. Into the oven. After 15 minutes, the lamb has an internal temperature of about 145, and we're gonna put it out and wrap it in foil, and it will continue to rest and cook a little bit in this foil. We're gonna let it rest for about 15 minutes. I'm going to make pan sauce, about a quarter of onion, roasted garlic, mushroom. Mushroom actually has quite a bit of water in it. You're gonna keep cooking it until it dries. Put in fresh thyme in there and rosemary. The onion is caramelized. The mushroom is cooked down. It's reduced in size quite a bit and brown in color. Stock. 1 cup red wine, 1 cup of stock. Going to reduce. This is the amount of reduction I want. Before I finish, I'm gonna throw in a knob of butter. Just gonna let the butter melt into the sauce. 45 minutes has passed, and our fried potato is ready. Plating. And we're gonna go taste. Look at that pink center. Perfectly cooked, foolproof. Like there's no way you can go wrong with this. Crispy skin, soft in the center. That texture, the flavor, and the white has now come alive. The salt and the gaminess and the meatiness of the lamb contrast with the fruitiness. The wine actually almost tastes sweet. When I go back to the meat tastes like different. You can now taste all the herbs. Amazing. Oh my god. I like This, of all the pairings I've done, this is probably the best pairing. The wine makes the food better, the food makes the wine better. You guys should try this at home. Grab a bottle of this Syrah, Sunset Cellars Syrah from Green Valley, available at Sunset Valley Wine Co-op. Grab this rack lamb, grab beautiful roots, vegetable, mushrooms, get everything from Larry's. Everything's local, and that's really key. Eat locally, think globally. Until next time, see you. Cheers.
Are you paying a review? No. Stop it.